Understanding I Was Presumptuous, a guide to polite English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might sound complex but is quite useful in everyday English. I was presumptuous. Understanding this phrase can help you navigate social situations more gracefully. So, let's break it down together. Presumptuous is an adjective that describes someone who takes liberties, doing things they have no right to do, often because of overconfidence or lack of respect. When you say, I was presumptuous, you're admitting that you made assumptions or took actions without considering if it was appropriate or welcomed. To clarify, let's look at some examples where someone might say, I was presumptuous. Making plans for others. You decide to book a table for a group dinner without asking everyone's preferences. Giving unsolicited advice. Offering advice to someone about their life choices without them asking for it. Assuming familiarity. Acting overly familiar with someone you've just met, like using a nickname or getting too personal. In these scenarios, acknowledging, I was presumptuous, shows self-awareness and a willingness to correct your behavior. Recognizing and admitting that you were presumptuous is a vital step in maintaining healthy relationships. It shows humility and respect for the other person's feelings and boundaries. A sincere apology can go a long way in smoothing over any discomfort or offense caused by presumptuous actions. Using I was presumptuous correctly involves a few key steps. 1. Recognize your mistake and understand why your action was presumptuous. 2. Apologize sincerely to the person affected by your actions. 3. Learn from the experience to avoid similar mistakes in the future. This phrase is particularly useful in formal or polite contexts, where acknowledging one's mistake gracefully is appreciated. Understanding and using the phrase, I was presumptuous, can enhance your communication skills and help you navigate social interactions more thoughtfully. Remember, it's about recognizing when you've overstepped boundaries and showing respect for others' preferences and autonomy. We hope this video helps you in your journey to mastering the English language. Until next time, happy learning!